guys, welcome back to Lex YouTube channel. So it's me Lechu here. So ഇന്ന് നമ്മുടെ കോളേജിൽ ആനുവൽ ഡേ ആണ്. So I thought അതൊന്ന് കവർ ചെയ്തിട്ട് നിങ്ങൾക്ക് കാണിച്ചു തരാമെന്ന്. So I'm gonna cover this whole day and I'll show you also.
He's like before us, huh? Way before us.
10:43.
We'll go from that side now.
Oh, attendance kind of crowd okay guys. Sir.
Come, we'll go with sneak in.
I'll help you. Go. Guys, finally നമുക്ക് attendance കിട്ടി. എത്ര 30 minutes drive with
40 minutes.
40 minutes, not 40.
Ran out of oxygen after like 10 minutes. It was बहुत difficult. बहुत difficult. बहुत means very. Oh, this Kannur people, I cannot.
Not Kannur. I'm not from Kannur. You are from Kannur, right?
I'm from.
Yeah,
I'm from Kannur. I'm from Kannur.
Can I tell that to you?
No, I'm from Kannur.
That Kuri.
I'm from Kannur, guys. Don't believe her. Welcome to Lachu's vlog. So we're taking few pictures here in iPhone 14 Pro Max. So look at this picture. This picture come out really good.
I'll upload the photo. Include the photo. Done? This guy the photo.
I'm the photographer.
Okay. Designer.
अन्ना मोड़े चेड़ा क्या बोले
Okay.
नायना मोड़े ने वो व्हाट इज चेड़ा टेल मी
എന്റെ മോനെ.
अन्ना मोड़े
How do you say come in Malayalam?
വാ.
Va, mone, va.
Photographer Saad taking pictures of Abu and what's your name? Danish. What? Banjot.
You can call me Danish.
Danish.
Yeah.
Danish and Abu.
Come and take picture, come.
Guys, just now the photo section is down and
मैं
it's fucking hot.
यहीं पे है ना straight down the lane if you come और भी there
Can you cut this call? Guys, photo section is done for us. Only for us.
only for us they are
Still taking there.
zoom you can't zoom
I can zoom in edit by editing. Okay, zoom out. So, എന്ത് ചൂടല്ലേ? എന്ത് look. എന്ത് ചൂടല്ലേ?
too hot
Yeah.
I know I'm learning Malayalam with Lachu
Okay.
Hello. Again with the vlog.
Yeah. So.
എന്റെ ചൂടല്ല
എന്റെ ചൂടല്ലേ?
What is that? എന്ത് ചൂടല്ലേ?
എന്റെ ചൂടല്ലേ?
बहुत गर्मी है
Tell me what?
बहुत गर्मी है.
it's hot
It's hot.
Yeah. Now I'll ask you about it. ഇനി നമ്മൾ എവിടെ പോകും?
now where we'll go I know Malayalam now
Okay. Then should I ask next? Okay. 2 മണിക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഇനിയും വരണമല്ലോ.
I didn't get this
Okay. 2 മണിക്ക് look. 2 മണിക്ക് ഇനിയും ഇവിടെ വരണമല്ലോ.
2 o'clock. 2 o'clock we gotta give attendance now.
I did that tonight.
2 o'clock we have to be here
Good guys. Because I'm putting expression and I'm showing my actions. That's why.
now we'll tell something in Hindi
നോക്ക് നീ ഒരു പൊട്ടനാ.
എന്നോട് പൊട്ടടാ
നീ ഒരു പൊട്ടനാ.
कुछ move
Bad kuch.
something you said
Guys, if they saying about something bad about me, just comment below, okay? നീ ഒരു പൊട്ടനാ.
she's saying something bad comment
You're dumb.
പൊട്ടറാ
പൊട്ടൻ. അയ്യാ. Shall we go there inside the
it's
main
full
ground, called ground?
it's full
What's going on there?
some dance
Massive one है कश्मीरी.
ये भारतीय is coming. This guy is our group.
Parth Photo, bro. You fit in the frame. Fit in the frame. You fit in the frame. Photo. Abu. Abu, इधर. Abu, इधर.
It's a group photo.
Abu.
Group photo.
Parth.
तुम्हारा मेन अगले पार्क.
Photo.
धोनी के साथ फोटो.
I would take a photo with everyone. Why that he called me Momo?
Momo because he's from K.
He looks like no. He looks like another.
He's from North India, no. So every North Indian has this thing. Has Momo stall.
You guys have Pani Puri stall like that. They have.
Bihari has
You guys have Pani Puri stall like that. They have momos.
You have
Momos is better.
Parota stall.
No. We have chai kada.
Chai kada.
Yeah, everywhere.
What is that?
Tea shop.
Tea shop. Chaya.
Chaya. Yeah.
Chaya means?
Tea. Yeah. So, do you wanna say anything?
I don't want to tell anything now.
Okay. Bye guys. We'll see you next.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Bye for now.
Bye. Say bye.
Bye.
Sumi, that's my new friend. Yeah.
Okay. Signing off.
Bye.
Guys, wait.
Vlog.
ये देखो bro, ये देखो.
I like this.
Hey guys, let's go. We're going to the main block quadrangle for the event. Annual day. Let's go. Follow me.
And I'm the cameraman.
I'm just simply saying
Red drum.
I think it's really good.
Yeah. You get that music?
Huh?
You get that music?
Get lunch. Did you pack it for like 5 days?
Yeah, guys, we reached Sharpless.
Where are you?
My chai is only
Guys,
15%.
Pro rider, we get in
Yeah, we
with
got to RKC.
2 minutes, right? Not even 2 minutes. You didn't take that much time. Guys, we'll go to RKC. Oh, Hara.
No more to talk to Jackie for today.
Thank you. Finally it came. Happy. Sad happy. Happy.
Yes, really.
Yeah. Okay. Now we are going to the college.
Welcome to my guys.
Same thing.
We're going to Physical Education Director's office for OD.
I was the cameraman for so long time. That's me.
Why are you crying, bro? Walk fast, bro. ID.
And I'll let you go.
You also
How do you say go in Malayalam?
go. Yeah. Tell them go. Hey, no, don't go. Stay
Go down.
till the end. Stay till the end, okay, guys? Don't leave. Everyone learning Malayalam because of Navani's on only. Because of me, everyone learning Malayalam.
This is actually not KJC. This college is supposed to. This college name is Christu Jayanti College, the short form of KJC. But this college is supposed to be called as Kerala Joint College. What's KJC?
Kerala JNT College.
Kerala Joint College.
Wow. Who's sitting in the floor? Poor guy.
The Arok Kerala is not here.
He didn't get Ori, he couldn't write the exam. That's why he doing all this shit. Right?
Actually.
Or else you will be the junior next year. We will be. You have to call us.
No.
If you didn't write exam, what you will do?
God forbid. That's not supposed to happen, bro. I swear.
Everyone meeting. For him, 4 people are here. You wanna say anything?
I wanna set my hair. Yeah.
Do you wanna say anything?
Explanation.
I opened Lachu's bag. There's so many drugs in it. Like so many.
What drugs? Nothing. Hand cream. Yeah. Then there is nothing inside.
There's not cream inside here.
Hand cream. Without my permission, don't open my bag. Okay, it's not good. Yeah. I told you to hold.
No, father लीजो के बजेंगे.
Okay guys, സാറൊക്കെ വന്ന് നമ്മളിനി ബാക്കി കഴിഞ്ഞിട്ട് വരാം. ഓക്കെ I felt so bad for few minutes because എൻ്റെ ക്യാമറയിൽ ഒരു ക്യാപ്പ് ഇങ്ങനെ മിസ്സായിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നു. ഇത് ഞങ്ങൾ ഫുഡ് കഴിച്ചെടുത്ത് വെച്ചാൽ പോയത്. ബട്ട് ഞാൻ മനസ്സിലാക്കിയത് കോളേജിൽ പ്രോഗ്രാം നടന്നിട്ടുള്ളപ്പോഴാണ്. ആൻഡ് ഐ ഫെൽറ്റ് സോ ബാഡ് because it's not there and the camera won't work. That's why. Then this guy told me it will be in the RKC only. But I said no, it will be in the college. And we went there and we found out. And we found out and I'm so happy due to that I found due to that I brought one happy fish for her. And she is happy, I'm happy. They all are happy. Tell me once again. Happy. No, the word you said earlier. Happy. No, tell me. No. ഈ പൊട്ടന്മാരെ ഒരു ഇത് ശല്യ.
Some old uncles in the
What?
65-70 paisa. That's uncle. Paisa. Not you.
How do you feeling about this? This BJP?
Don't put me on. I feel very supportive.
Hey, really? These vloggers Kerala people were gonna watch. They supporting BJP. Tell me the truth right now.
Talk about politics.
Right now, you have to say about this.
Confidential.
I support Iraq. No. I support.
This stupid guy is participating in MMA and don't have guts to talk about this shit.
I'm a camera guy. Let's go stand there. Zero guts I have. I support Bahrain National Party. That's all. This country I don't know.
I support Congress.
Do you support BJP?
No, I don't support. I'm a Congress youth.
Don't post this on
Yeah, actually.
No, yeah.
No, it's actually gonna be political, but it's fine.
Hey,
Because I
about-
get political. Yeah, no.
Yeah. Wow, I like this.
Don't post my Hail Hitler thing on it.
I will post this. You don't have guts. Be like Abu.
It's not guts, bro. Someone will find your address and
How? If someone find his address, he will take my snake and leave.
RT Nagar 4th cross.
My favorite Indian politician is Joe Biden.
Same.
He's from RT Nagar.
Yeah, it's from my area.
He's from Danny Road, bro. Not RT.
This guy. Manjula sir always. And you wrote Yeah.
PC Chaco.
Our college.
My friend
Yeah,
Mustafa.
That one, guys. Our college. And now we are at Bakery. Bakery is the favorite spot of Abu, Ryan and all. Let's do the rain dance. Now we are going to a girls trip. Girls trip, but the driver will be a guy. Abu will be riding the car. So riding the car. So we'll go girls trip. Let's see who all are coming. Okay, it's a girls trip. We'll see. Signing up for now. Guys, girls trip. Apart from Abu, this is a girls trip. So two guys came. Girls trip.
No.
Oh wow. Oh, one more girl.
She doesn't.
It's a boys trip actually.
Yeah, it's a boys trip.
Girls trip.
More.
We call them for girls trip. Why they get inside then? There's four boys.
Someone, we have space for you in the trunk.
It hurt.
Okay guys, let's go.
We leave.
Yeah.
Anyhow.
Say something now.
I don't want to tell anything. It will go on one.
Oh, she's recording now.
Okay, it's off now.
I'm at ease.
Hey! Calm down, Jama.
Say something.
What do you want us to say?
Something.
Boys trip.
Hey, seriously? We call for girls trip, right?
Half boy, half boy.
Yeah.
I can't consider Ryan as a girl. It's a boy.
Really?
No, you're a boy. You're both.
So, I'm the only one girl.
You and Sam.
What is this? Abu weapon. Karate Kid. Karate Kid. Yeah. Guys. എന്തെങ്കിലും ഉണ്ടെങ്കിൽ പറയൂ നമുക്ക് അബുവിനെ വിട്ട് ഡീൽ ചെയ്യാം ഓക്കെ and also Ryan also here MMA and Karate Kid both will I'm also here so the Bangalore truck it will be always in his car so guys don't mess with them okay if anybody messing with Abu it will be the end be careful Guys, if I reach PG, I will sign up. Bye.
Bye, Hajira. See you. See you. Bye bye.
Come this eye. Where are you going?
Bye, Hajira.
Let's go.
Let's bye.
Bye. He lives here.
Bro, you guys like techno?
No, really. I don't like that. No.
What?
Why you all are hyped up so much?
Someone say my name, tell them look me in the face. I'm a red, I'm a love, I'm a murder for the fun. I've been trapping for my city, so I just gotta run. Hey, demons in my head, and I've been seeing in my face. Yeah, rolling down the streets, and I've been looking for the fix. Baby, where's the academy? Maybe fuck academy. Want some money, baby, tell them place a bet on me. Never lost and never talking, I just
I'm scared he's gonna go wild.
my city, so I just gotta run. Hey,
You don't know what he does.
Bro, I find an empty parking space, right? That's more than enough for me. I'll drift. Bro, you remember when we
That's what I'm remembering.
went
right
this
now.
thing, the
I don't-
Marietta thing, the Tiger 5.
Oh God, they came and yelled at us. Some people.
Bro, I literally, it was like like fast and
The
furious.
full tire marks all over the place. He's like, no, by mistake, by mistake.
Who said by
Bro,
mistake?
this auto
You
is
did your
coming on
purpose
you, bro.
order and then you think by mistake.
Did like 30 donuts over there. Oh, what a
Donuts?
what a- It's your fucking. I don't know how to explain what donuts are to you.
You make a donut with the wheel.
Ah, correct.
Hello?
Tire marks. Why? Full
What
donuts.
are you doing?
Wow. It's nice.
His parents won't believe it.
I ain't gonna even. चुमता खरी आएंगे गाली नो करी ना और चुमता खरी आएंगे गाली नो करी
That's Abu, guys. Nothing else is going on here. Let's check out behind.
गाड़ी छुट्टी ना है जो छुट्टी है
People will watch.
पंजो पंजो के छुट्टी है
People will watch.
That's literal orgasm as well.
Okay, people will watch. Okay, it's fine.
Bro, I call up people, okay? I speak to them in my girl voice. They literally think I'm a girl. They start flirting
अच्छा तो
with me.
15-20 मिनट
I prank call people.
That seems a little too natural to you. Huh?
अच्छा अच्छा तो
Sad.
If you dance, I'll dance. And if you don't.
Everywhere.
Come to Faisal. Come to my area.
Yeah, yeah.
I'll take it out.
How is that? It's good.
Crazy. Food stalls. Very good Muslim people.
Yeah. Residential area, right?
But you should have worn it and
Better snakes are now.
It's fault only, idiot. What WM music you're playing now?
listen to Kristu Jayanti's
Jayanti, life and prosperity. Light. Kristu Jayanti, light and prosperity.
Not like this, he is singing on the auditorium.
I was singing
Not like this. Sing like the one you did on this. Why?
that one is not coming
It's a try.
कैसे voice में guys?
You're harmonizing with the choir.
yeah
We were standing in the back of the auditorium singing along.
Yeah. Joshua here. Welcome to my channel. Bye. Can you do that on call? No, I'm getting it through that. He threw water on you. What the fuck? Coming tomorrow. Right? That's ഏതാനും നിമിഷങ്ങൾക്ക് വീട്ടിൽ പോകും ഓഡിറ്റോറിയം Yeah, good.
That's correct.
That's my boy. Oh.
Last card से पारंपरिक.
Hey, give it.
Even he couldn't say it before.
एड़ा मोने happy अल्ले यार.
एड़ा मोने happy ना? आप बहुत happy भाई.
സോ ഇപ്പോൾ പി ജിയിലാണ് ആൻഡ് ഇന്ന് ആനുവൽ ഡേ ആണെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു. ബട്ട് നമ്മൾ കോളേജ് കവർ ചെയ്യുന്നേക്കാൾ കൂടുതലേക്ക് പുറത്തേക്കായിരുന്നു പോയിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നത് ഫ്രണ്ട്സൊക്കെ ആയിട്ട്. ഒന്നും ലൈക്ക് പ്ലാൻഡ് അല്ലായിരുന്നു, ജസ്റ്റ് എല്ലാം സ്പോട്ടിൽ പ്ലാൻ ചെയ്തത്. ഓക്കെ ഫുഡ് കഴിക്കാൻ പോകാം, ദെൻ ജസ്റ്റ് ഒരു റൈഡിന് പോകാം. ആക്ച്വലി നമ്മൾ ഒരാൾ ഡ്രോപ്പ് ചെയ്യാൻ വേണ്ടി പോയത്, അപ്പോൾ പിന്നെ എല്ലാവരും കൂടി കയറി അങ്ങനെ പോയതായിരുന്നു. ആൻഡ് ഇറ്റ് വാസ് റിയലി ഗുഡ്. ഐ ഫെൽറ്റ് സോ ഹാപ്പി ടുഡേ. ദാറ്റ്സ് ദ മെയിൻ തിങ്. കമ്പയർഡ് ടു അതർ ഡേയ്സ് ഇറ്റ് വാസ് ലൈക്ക് റിയലി ഗുഡ്. കാരണം കുറേ നാളിങ്ങനെ എന്തോ പോലെ പോകുമ്പോൾ പെട്ടെന്ന് വെച്ചൊക്കെ യൂഷ്വലി വ്ളോഗ് എടുക്കുന്ന ദിവസങ്ങളെല്ലാം അങ്ങനെയാണ്, ഒരു ചേഞ്ച് പോലെ എനിക്ക് ഫീൽ ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ലൈക്ക് നോർമൽ ഡേയ്സ് അങ്ങനെ അല്ല എന്നല്ല, ദർ ഈസ് നത്തിങ് എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ യൂഷ്വൽ ചെയ്യുന്ന എന്തൊക്കെയോ അതൊക്കെ ചെയ്ത് അങ്ങനെ ഡേ ഒന്നും എൻഡ് ചെയ്യാറുള്ളൂ. അല്ലാണ്ട് വലുതായിട്ട് അങ്ങനെ ഒരു എന്താ പറയുക വലിയ സ്പെഷ്യലായിട്ടൊന്നും ഉണ്ടാവത്തില്ല. അങ്ങനെ ഓക്കെ ടുഡേ ഐ വാസ് ഹാപ്പി അങ്ങനെ പറയാനുള്ള ഒന്നും നോർമൽ ഡേയ്സ് ഉണ്ടാവാറില്ല. ആൻഡ് വ്ളോഗ് ചെയ്യുന്ന ദിവസങ്ങൾ യൂഷ്വലി ഇങ്ങനെ ഉണ്ടാവാറുണ്ട്. ഞാൻ ഓരോ ദിവസം വ്ളോഗ് ചെയ്യുമ്പോൾ ഇങ്ങനെ പറയാ ദ ഡേ വാസ് ഗുഡ്, ദ ഡേ വാസ് ഫൺ ഇങ്ങനെ പറയുന്നുണ്ട്. ആക്ച്വലി 2 hours, that's why I'm saying. So today also it's like that only. I felt so happy. Yeah, so that's it. So I hope you guys also enjoy this video. So don't forget to like, share, subscribe and comment down below what you guys feel about this video. So yeah, that's it for today. See you on next video. Bye bye.